Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Discover Autopay and Payoff alerts, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Discover Autopay, log in to your Discover account. Navigate to the Payment Center from your account dashboard. Select the option for Autopay. Choose your payment method, whether it's from a bank account or your Discover card. Enter the amount you'd like to pay each month. Select the date you want the payment to be deducted. Review your payment details for accuracy. After confirming the details, click on the Enroll in Autopay button. Next, let's set up Payoff alerts. Return to the account dashboard and select the Alerts section. Find the option for Payoff alerts. Choose your preferred notification method, either via email or text message. Enter the necessary contact information if prompted. Set your desired alert frequency, such as weekly or monthly. Review your alert settings and ensure they reflect your preferences. Finally, click on Save Settings to activate your Payoff alerts. You're now all set with Discover Autopay and Payoff alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.